year pa, and it's doing really, really well.
And knowing nyo naman talaga everything na pinapasok mo. And alam mo talaga, di ba?
Yes, and of course, natututo ako sa diamonds kung ano yung mga stones and all. So, marami ako natututunan dito sa Luna.
Yeah, so ang dami mo ng collections.
Yes, actually, nag-start siya with a ring. Tapos ngayon, ang dami-dami na. Yun ang aking collection after bags. Diamonds talaga muna.
Oo, so ikaw, mas naniniwala ka na mas importante.
Oo naman, kasi yung diamonds, umaangat talaga siya. And it never goes down. Yung value niya, it stays up and keeps going up. Especially kapag nag-invest ka sa magandang bato. And yun, so, yun kasi nasusuot ko lagi. Yung bags, iba-ibang colors, so depende. So, ako, diamonds talaga.
So parang diamond rin kasi iba na. Parang abang tumatagal na nagdidingding, tumataas ang tayo. True naman talaga, di ba? Talagang ikaw yung tipong talagang nangunguna sa mga vloggers. Talagang kahit anong gawin, pinagkakatulungan.
Salamat.
It points to you, you really have a big heart. Oo. Kasi hindi ka lang basta puro prank, puro ano sa mga vlogs. Talagang kitang-kita the way ng pagtulong mo. Even one time na, di ba, a week or 2 weeks ago, or may isang lola ka na tinulungan kasi pinagkaguluhan ka sa palengke, di ba? Na nakita mo na gusto talagang makalapit yung lola sa'yo. Pero pinapuntahan mo siya, no? So nice.
Hinahanap ko talaga siya. Kasi nung nakita ko yung pangyayari, ayoko kasi di masaktan. Whether it be bata or lola or actually kahit mga kaidaran ko, ayoko yung masasaktan. And sobrang malapit yung puso ko, especially sa mga elderly natin. Dapat talaga iniingatan natin sila. And nung nakita kong nasaktan siya, hindi tinapos ko yung vlog. Sabi ko kahit hindi na siya mabuo or mailabas, basta sa akin, matulungan ko lang si Lola. Kasi syempre, yung feeling ko kasalanan ko eh. So yun.
Yeah, oh. And you're really so nice, yan. Kaya maraming tama sa'yo. Not even, not only yung mga masa, even the social, they really like you. Oh.
Thank you.
So I'm sure talagang magbibilihan sila nito, Luna by Greg. Yeah. So congratulations again.
Thank you.
Yeah, stay nice. Yeah. So Drake, pag narinig mo yung mga ganyang kwento about Ivana, ano natituro mo? Lalo ka bang nagiging proud Ivana's partner dito sa
Luna
Jewelry collaboration?
Sorry, sir. Hindi ko question.
Yan, okay. Since naririnig mo, yung mga naririnig mo, kabutihan ni Ivana, lalo ka bang nagiging proud dito sa collab nyo, sa partnership nyo sa Luna Jewelry, lalo na itong Barbie collection.
Ayan, narinig ko na siya. Yeah, Ivana actually siya yung nag-inspire sa amin sa lahat. Like yung house and lot na ginawa namin sa staff namin. Yung nagawa namin yung binukan ni Ivana. So, para na-inspire kami, why can't we na brand, si Ivana na citizen, bakit yung brand, yung company, hindi kaya ko yung
Yeah, it's so nice no, na inspired kayo ni Ivana.
Yeah.
Oo, this afternoon ba, may inspire na kayo? Aasa rin po ba kami ng kausan lahat? Mukhang kaya talagang naghintay kaming lahat, oo, dahil masusurprise kami. Pero yun, kausap ko nga si the manager of Ivana, si Perry Garcia, kinorek niya, sabi niya, uy, 4:30 ang call time namin, hindi late si Ivana. Pero kahit late si Ivana or hindi, talagang we really waited for her kasi feeling namin siya yung perfect para dito sa inyong Barbie collection, Barbie collab, yeah. So, congratulations again. Mag-iintay kami sa house and lot.
Because I can see like you're really successful in social media. But siguro my question for you is, in terms of your business decisions, what guides you? Ano yung prinsipyo mo sa negosyo? Okay na ba matanong?
I think what's really important is to ask around. Walang masama magtanong, especially if you're investing money and if you're investing your time, your effort. You can always ask people who have a lot of experience. Kasi iba yung experience ko. It's more on content creation and also I always ask people who are experienced, what do you think of this? What do you think of that? And then saka ako nag-decision.
What was your determining factor in deciding to collaborate with Luna?
Ayan, hindi na ako nagtanong kasi knowing Luna, it's a very successful brand. And of course, si Drake kasi napakasipag and he knows everything about yung strategy, about releasing content. He's sobrang galing niya. And of course, I trust him a lot. So, nung in-offer niya, sabi niya, would you like to partner? Sabi ko, of course, this would be a dream come true.
Wow. Thank you so much, Ivana.
Thank you.
Number one, what would be your advice sa mga tao first time na mag-collect ng mga jewelry?
Start basic. Siguro yung lagi mong susuotin araw-araw. Ako yung una kong binili was a ring. Kasi... yung 8 karat. Hindi, pero yung susuotin mo naman 8 karat kung hindi pa kaya. But invest on a good stone. So marami dun sa Luna. They have different kinds of sizes, kung ano yung perfect for you. And yun, kung mahilig ka ba sa necklace or sa ring, but get something na buo yung bato.
Ilang years ka na nag-collect ng jewelry?
Ako ever since bata ako, kasi yun yung tinuro ko sa akin ng mama ko was to invest in gold and diamonds. So, 13 years old pa lang ako, bumibili na ako pa konti-konti. Hindi malalaki, pero yung mga pwede kong sabihin collection, na maliliit.
Hindi na last question. Parang ikaw ang lucky charm ng Luna.
Totoo, panahit niya sinasabi ni Ivana, you make it. And that's true.
So, Luna, iba na yung reaction.
It's true.
Yung reaction to Dave's thing. You made Luna.
Ako, I'm very flattered and thank you so much. Pero I think it's the whole team and of course Drake. Siya yung talagang Drake Dustin, di ba? Yung Luna by Drake Dustin. And everyone also around Luna. Lahat hardworking talaga.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Siya tinawag na Lucky Charm.
She started everything. She started,
Ano bang sales na ask or
there's a lot actually the charm. If it wasn't for the endorsement we did during pandemic, we would have perished. But because of that, we were able to open a lot of stores during pandemic. So I think iba yung charm ni Ivana talaga. And further on later, on after the pandemic, mas talagang siya yung hinahanap ng mga clients. Me question earlier about Madam, pati mga Madam, si Ivana yung hinahanap.
yung pero yung perish, talagang bigat na, parang you would have perished during the pandemic. Ano yun, parang
Food of choice.
Because di ba during pandemic, lahat tayo parang we were uncertain of what's gonna happen. So, what gave us the edge during the pandemic, more than the rising value of diamonds and gold, was Ivana's endorsement of Luna. And that gave us more awareness to the Philippine market and online. So, without that as well, we would have perished like that.
Na also, ano yung impact ng pagbili ni Ivana ng diamond engagement? Ring?
Hindi engagement.
Self-engagement.
Self-engaged.
Sorry, ikaw nagpauso ng self-engagement, Ivana.
That's correct.
Dahil sa'yo, may mga, dahil ba kay Ivana, marami din po ng
Self-love is, yes. Gusto lang, marami nang biglang bumibili na yung sa iyo. Now,
Alam namin yung
ayun din, ang dami ko rin na kung ideas kay Ivana. doesn't know na unintention, binibigyan kami na ideas. Like for example, that self-love day. So we land na yung self-love na ay
Okay, I just wanna know, paano ko pala na, gusto ko balikan lang yun, bakit mo naisipan bumili ng self-love day?
Bakit ko naisipan?
Oo, yeah.
Siguro kasi when I was younger, naantay ko yung engagement ko. Sabi ko, 18 years old, kapakasal na ako, ganyan. Eh wala, 26 na ata ako, no, 20-something, 25. Sabi ko, alam mo, ayoko na mag-antay. And gusto ko kasi ng malaking ring, pangarap ko yun eh. Since I was collecting smaller rings when I was younger. So sabi ko, nung sinuot ko siya sa endorsement shoot namin na first, sabi ko, ang ganda niya. Sabi ko, alam mo, kahit wala na akong TF, parang, this is my dream eh. Yung ring na yun. So sabi ko, tinext ko si Drake, Drake, gusto ko siyang bilhin. Kasi ang ganda talaga when you see it and you fall in love with a piece of jewelry. Talagang hindi ka makakatulog. Ewan ko ako. Hindi ako makatulog. Sabi ko, Drake, gusto ko talaga. Sabi niya, ha? Sure ka? Sabi ko, oo, na-in-love ako eh. And yun. And it's in my collection. And yun yung pinaka-special.
Kasi yun sana yung...
Self-love.
Oh. So yung next, kasi yung tanong ko sana after that, you never bought another naman.
Marami pa. Bili ako ng bili. And,
Pero yun yung pinaka-expensive price.
Oo.
Or na ano na.